May I put you on speaker for a minute? Just a second.
Kill the sound on it.
You can damn well bet ass on it.
Tell her we're listening to her.
Hello, Elaine.
Hi, it's Elaine Scritch, and I'm calling to wish you all a whatever kind of Tony you want it to be.
Oh, this is all for you, Elaine.
Okay?
This is all for you.
We were just watching you on TV, hon.
We were just watching Liberty as a precursor to the Tonys.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. Well, that's nice. That's nice.
But, Elaine, thank you. Could you tell us one of your one? I don't want to keep you. I know you're busy, but
You can't keep me because I really have to. I have to have my Dexcom for diabetes changed on Sunday night, so I have to go to the person who does it, and I count on them. So my assistant is guiding me through this. I have to do it every Sunday, so I really have to go. But I wanted to get a call into you before I left.
thank you so much. We really appreciate it. You have a wonderful night.
We love you.
Oh, okay, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of laughs. I know I will.
No doubt. Okay, my dear, thanks so much.
It's funny, ha-ha, and funny, very peculiar.
Funny queer.
I'm the only person I'm really rooting for is Tracy Bennett. I really want to see
I
Tracy.
beg your pardon?
I'm really rooting for Tracy Bennett. I really hope to see Tracy win.
Oh, that's the Judy Garland?
Correct, yes.
Uh-huh.
And I hear she's tearing it up. You may have a different opinion, but
No, look, I let who wins win. I don't take part in that. It's sort of none of my business, you know.
sure. Very good.
Let the person win who wins. It'll all come out all right.
There you go. Well, Elaine, thank you so much for taking the time to call. There are many people here who
Okay,
really
and have a
appreciate it.
ball. It's a fun evening, no question about that.
Excellent, excellent.
Of all the mediums, the theater is the funniest.
There's no doubt about that. That's for sure.
Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
Everyone wants you to do another show and make another video. I know you've got to run.
There you go. Okay, we'll try.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Take care, darling.
Bravo.
Thank you.
I can't
Wow, that was interesting.
Does
I
she
can't
not
believe
sound
you.
like the sweetest person on the face
is.
of the
Yes, she
planet,
does.
or what?
Oh, Scott, I can't believe you.
Oh,
Was that interesting or what?
isn't that
Wow.
something?
Holy shit.